Introducing the 2021 Skoda Karoq STY 2.0 TDI 115 HP 5-door in stunning blue. This top-of-the-line estate Jeep boasts a 2-litre diesel engine, manual transmission, and a wealth of features including Bluetooth, satellite navigation, and ambient lighting. Safety is a priority with ABS, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, enjoy the convenience of an auto handbrake, privacy glass, and more. Rest assured with a full health and safety check, manufacturer serviced, and comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call now or visit spiritskoda.ie for more information.